If your Epic Games Launcher is opening to a white screen, freezing on startup, or showing a blank window instead of loading properly, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 2 quick fixes that can help get it working again. This is a common issue, and it often happens because of display scaling problems or graphics rendering conflicts on your PC. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the launcher. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fix videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to try a compatibility fix for display scaling. On your desktop, find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Then right-click it and choose Properties. This opens the settings for that shortcut. From here, switch to the Compatibility tab. In the Compatibility section, look for the button that says Change High DPI Settings and click it. A new window will appear with display scaling options. In that window, check the box that says Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Then, in the drop-down menu labeled Scaling Performed By, select System. This tells Windows to handle the scaling itself, which can often prevent the launcher from showing a white screen or loading incorrectly on high-resolution displays. Once you've selected System, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Now close the Properties window and try launching Epic Games Launcher again to see if the problem is fixed. If the white screen is still there, don't worry, because we have one more very effective workaround to try. This next method forces the launcher to use standard software rendering instead of relying on hardware acceleration, which can help if your graphics card drivers are having trouble communicating with the app. To do this, right-click the same Epic Games Launcher shortcut again and go back into Properties. This time, open the Shortcut tab. In the Shortcut tab, find the target field, which shows the full path to the launcher. Go all the way to the end of that path, click once after the final quotation mark if there is one, add a single space and then type in the command exactly as shown, -OpenGLN. Make sure there is a space before the command, because it needs to be separated from the file path. After that, click Apply and then OK. Now, very important, use that specific shortcut to open Epic Games Launcher because the command only works when you launch it through the edited shortcut. Once it opens, the launcher should load using OpenGL instead of the default rendering method, which can often bypass the white screen bug and get you back into your library, store, and settings normally. If either of these fixes worked for you, that's awesome, and you can keep using the launcher as normal. If the first fix didn't work, the second one is especially useful for graphics-related startup issues. I hope this helped you fix the Epic Games Launcher white screen bug quickly and safely. If it did, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.